Welcome back to the third session of data file handling. Next topic is closing the file. In order to close the file, stream object dot close. What is the stream object? Means, for example, I opened the file in order to write. Then you should mention fout dot close off. I opened the file in order to read. Then you should write fin dot close off. Like that you should write. So next topic is input and output operations on files. Input, output, operations on files. Input, output, operations on files. So input, output, operations on files. So now here we are speaking about first about text files. So in text file we have two functions. The first function is put off function. The first function is put off function. And the second function is get off function. Put off function and get off function. So these are the operations, input output operations. Now we'll study about put off function. What do you mean by put off? So put off means write single character, write single character, write single character to associated stream. I'll tell you what is associated stream. Associated stream. I'll tell you. So put off means, right, if you observe here, so much of text is there. To whatever is existing, I am writing continuation. That we call it as associated stream. Stream means sequence of bytes. Already to the existing data we are adding some more data. Okay. So now write down the syntax. Syntax I am writing here. Don't panic and start working. Stop speaking subject is very tough. Start bringing solutions. Don't speak about problems. Off stream object dot put off. How many syntaxes are there? Write in one paper and practice. I am telling you tips also how to do things. So you can write one example also for this. I will explain you example. First you write down char ch is equal to a. Okay. So off stream fout text dot text fout put off. Nothing to understand in this and feel very tough. I'll just explain this. Look here. So if you observe here, char ch of a means character means 1 byte of memory is reserved. Ch is memory location, in that a is there. So next one, off stream fout of. Okay. So here we are writing file name fout of. So what we are doing? Write a single character. Put off means to put whatever is there to existing text. Put off ch. So what is in ch? A is in ch. That we are adding to the existing file. So next one we are going to study about get off. Okay. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. With respect to put off, it is used to write a single character. Okay. So what is the class that we are using? Off stream class. We are going to use off stream class for this. Off stream class. What do you mean by get off? Get off means to read a single character. Read single character. to read a single character from associated stream. From associated stream. Associated stream means already some data is there, from there we are writing associated stream. Now we can see the syntax, students. If stream object, if stream object dot get ch of, okay. So we can write the example. Char ch is equal to a, means what? Ch is memory location, in that a will be stored. Now f stream means what? Read, okay. F stream, f in file input. So what is that file name? text.txt, okay, file name. To that what we are doing? F in means to read. Get off means get the single character. From where we are getting to where we are getting ch, okay. Like that you have to read, students. So next, what is there? Get off means reading a single character. Next thing is get line off. Get line off, entire syllabus I am doing, okay, prepare well. So get line off means it is used to read entire line of text. It is used to read entire line of text. Entire line of text. Get off ante single character. Get line off means entire line of text it is used, okay. Here also we have syntax. F in means file input dot get line off means we are going to get entire line. You look here in the previous one. So what did we do? F in dot get off, whereas here we are writing get line off, so we write f in dot get line off. So buffer means memory. How much we want to get line, how much line of text, will mention the size. So let us see one example here. This is called syntax. Now I am going to tell you one example. Anything may ask, what is its purpose? What is its purpose? What is the syntax? What is the example? Anything they will ask. Char book size, okay. So char book size means what? Book is memory location name and how many you want. So char book of 3 means book of 0, book of 1, book of 2, book of 3, like that it will come, okay. So file stream means it may be input stream or output stream. F in, okay. F in means file input. Input means what? It is used to read. File input means it is used to read. F in dot, you can see in syntax also, get line of buffer name what? Size. Here buffer name is book. Size, how much size is there? That size we will mention. So get line of. So buffer name is book, okay. Next size is there. Same size will come here, students, okay. Thank you. We'll see in the 4th video. So once again I'll tell you before we go to the 4th video. In this video I taught you how to close a file. This is the syntax you can see. For example, I opened a file in order to write fout.closeoff you should give. If I am going to, how to be easy means write down all of them in one place daily. Some 20 times each day you practice, it will be easy. F in dot closeoff means it is used to read. For example, I opened a file to read. In order to close that, I will use this. Input output operations on file. Text file means these two functions, put off and get off. Okay, put off means it is used to write single character. So this is the syntax, this is the example. Get off means it is used to read single character. This is the syntax, this is the example. Get line of means it is used to read entire line of text. This is the syntax, this is the example. So we are doing this all these three functions are there. What are the three functions? Put off, get line of. In that what I told you, what is its purpose? What is its purpose and what is its syntax? What is its purpose? What is its syntax? And what is its example? I told you now. So all these three are very important. When they ask you put off, you should write all these 3 points. And all these 3 functions are related to text files. All these 3 functions are related to text files. In the 4th video, I will give you input and output operations on binary file. Thank you.